So online classes are always tougher, right? Because of we don't know how many students are attentive.
Yes, yes. How
So,
many students attend you, and sometimes a technical issue, and a student sometimes pretend like there is technical issue. So in this way, I think this is a little bit difficult than offline class.
and they will also like while they were attending the classes, they will listen to some songs and watch movies and all those things they will do, right?
Yeah, maybe.
A lot of people are misusing nowadays.
Yes, also it's also happening.
The same thing is happening in my like we are working at home, right? So same
Yeah.
thing is happening of even for adults also. Like we people used to say there is a power cut today. If you want, we'll say power cut and we'll take leave. So that is what even adults are doing.
Yes, yes. Yeah, everyone want to just take little bit advantage. Yeah.
So,
Okay. Sure.
so today's topic is let's talk about the Indian Army. So we have few questions here. Let me ask you a few questions and try to answer.
Okay,
So
sure.
what can we learn from the Indian Army? Your opinion about
First of all, we should hats off them because they are a soldier. And not only one thing, there is several things that we should learn from them. And the first thing that I want to mention, their punctuality that they have. And they are all always means in any situation, whatever the condition, there is no word that is no. They don't have to say no. Means they have to do that work in any condition. So we should also learn like this. Means whatever the situation going on, we just continue our work. And the next thing that is also they are dedicated for their work. So and they are so very honest rather than other department. If you are saying we are sometimes we can say corruption, and sometimes people they are careless, they are neglecting their work, but not in this military case. The soldiers, if they started to do this, then what will happen? We can't assume this. So that is the one thing that makes them very very different. So yeah, we should learn these all things from them. They are they are real heroes in my views.
they are the real heroes.
Yeah, right.
Very good answer, Ikra. Good answer. So
Yeah,
here I've seen few things. Okay, hats off. It should be hats off them. Hats off them is not correct. It's hats off to them. You
yeah,
missed it.
has
Hats off to them. And punctuality is a very nice word you use. And they will not say no. They will not say no.
yeah, they will not say no.
So there is a
Right.
motto. There is a motto in Indian Army. Do you know what is that motto? They have a motto. They have a mission, mission statement.
Do and die.
Do or die.
Yeah,
Do
yeah.
die. Yeah,
Do
that is
or
a
die.
yeah, that's a good one. And again, use the peoples.
Oh my god.
Okay, that's a common mistake. We can rectify. And you mentioned makes them different, right? Rather than saying makes them different, this is what makes them different. We can say this is what makes them unique.
Okay.
A unique personality. Everybody have unique personality, right? You have some unique personality. I have some unique personality. So you can tell rather than saying it makes them unique.
Yeah, make them unique. Right, right. This is better.
They are the real heroes. That is true. They are the real heroes. So those were the things I've noticed. Okay,
Yeah, thank you.
we go to the next question. So how can we become disciplined like Indian Army? What are the things we have to do to become disciplined like them?
Discipline.
Yeah, how we can become like them? In
So as I mentioned, means if we started to learn from them, so there is several ways by which we can get, and we can acquire something from them. So if you are saying that by which we can get discipline, So we should make the environment. We should I think start to just following them, because nowadays youth, they are following many of heroes, entertainer heroes, another. So rather than them, we should start to look forward to them, because they are real heroes and they are whatever they are doing only for nation. So nothing is. Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, you're. I think you
Sorry.
received a call, right?
Yeah, that's why. Okay. So yes, can I go?
Yeah, yeah. Continue.
Okay. Yeah, so I was saying, means if you started to following them, we can learn their lifestyle and their journey behind whatever they are doing. So by this, we can get the discipline which they are doing, and which is also can I think adopt in our life.
Correct.
Yes.
Super. So, in this one, I've noticed you mentioned several ways. Should be several ways.
Several ways.
Yes, that's one thing. And you mentioned entertainer heroes. It should be entertaining heroes.
Entertaining.
Entertaining heroes. Okay. And we
Okay.
started to start. You were asking something.
Heroes that I was saying.
So started to following them. You can say started to follow them.
Yeah, I started to follow them.
Started is past. Okay, we cannot
Yes.
use the past, and following is future. We cannot use past and future together. We can say started to follow them. That's the correct one.
Okay.
So
Started to
that's,
follow
and can you pronounce discipline?
discipline.
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 Yeah. So we are pronouncing it little different, but correct. Most of it is correct, but little different. Okay, now it is correct. Okay. Okay, we'll go to the next question. So what are the challenges that Indian soldiers face?
Challenges. Oh, a lot of challenges I think their faces. And what is the one more big challenge in their life? Because they are at the border. So that is the one thing. This is one challenge that the next person and other person can't do this. So if they are doing this and they are doing, protecting us, so that is not a minor thing. And if the soldier, they started to challenge, so also I think family challenges also somewhere, because most of the time they have to out of their station, and means there is no uh, any means any certain period then when they will meet, and when means if they will meet or not, it's not sure. So it is also one thing. And I think soldier, they face many tasks while they're training, and before having a job also. If we got into any job, so before got into job, I think we already were prepared for this. So then we will try to do anything, and then we will able to do. And if you are doing in MNC, so means before doing this job you did means many things related to this, then you will be able to do this. So like this everyone, and has some journey behind their successful story. But the soldier, there is in I think in their points, so they little bit more difficult work they are doing.
Yeah,
So that's
okay.
something. Yeah.
They cannot prepare, right? Like we do in MNC or any other private job, we do some preparation and work. But for their job, there is no preparation. Directly, they have to jump into whatever the situation is, right?
Yeah,
So
situation.
they have to
Means,
tackle any kind of situation.
yeah. That means when you are the combat, you see that how they work hard, and they just handle this situation.
Correct. So, and you
Yeah.
also use the word from the vocabulary. So today's vocabulary combat.
Combat.
That's
Yeah. Right.
and you mentioned like next person cannot do that. Okay. Rather than saying what to say, not everybody can do that.
Not everybody can do this.
Rather than saying next person, you can say not everybody. Not everybody can do that.
Yeah, right, right. Not everybody can do this.
So what are the challenges that military families face?
Okay, so military families, because in the absence of them, so they are faces many challenges, and most of the time they had nothing. I mean, so for manage their family and all, but they just manage. So and this way, and also some of the time, they just out of the city and where all, so there is no support behind them somewhere. They just feel someone with them, but due to their job and the military person, so they have to do duty for their country. So they are not only for meant to be for their family. They are doing work for whole country. I think, yeah, family are also so proud of them. But rather than this, yes, we just can't. We just imagine about them. But what is the real thing happening with them? So it will just imagine when we will live with them. Sometimes then we can achieve.
Exactly. That's a good point. So here you mentioned some of the times. It should be sometimes.
Sometimes, yeah,
Some of the times is not the correct one. You can use sometimes.
yeah, sometimes. Okay,
That's
sometimes.
recently I came across some beautiful phrase actually. It says, "We will what to say? Will notice the presence during someone's absence." Okay.
Notice the present during someone else's.
We can notice the presence only when there is an absence of someone. There is
Okay.
it's a very nice thing I've noticed. Some writer wrote it in some.
Yes,
Just
right, right. Can notice the present. Someone absent,
notice,
right?
notice presence when someone's absence. In someone's absence.
Yes.
So the last one. Do you think soldiers get the required respect they should get in return of their huge sacrifice?
Yeah, means this question exactly right, because definitely they require more respect nowadays. Whatever, you know, people just respecting them. But yes, I think now the thinking and views of for soldiers is might be changing than earlier. In the middle of the time, people they just neglecting soldiers. Most of the time, I think not you also means, we just saw some video and some pictures of them. They are sitting somewhere and there, and the people they are neglecting them, even they are the most unique person,
Yeah.
because they're respecting you. So but they are not respecting. But I think that nowadays criteria is changing, and very soon it will they will get more respect like this. Like, like our mind is now changing. We are just thinking that who is our real hero. So like this we are start to changing. So very soon it will be done. But still, yeah, there is some requirement for their
So they are also like soldiers are also called as unsung heroes.
yes, I
They
can say.
have unsung heroes.
And Shangri.
Okay. And many times, like what happens when some government employees retiring, they are enjoying their retiring life with the pension they are getting. But when a military army person is retiring, they are working as a security in a ATM. So that is what
Yes,
happens nowadays,
yeah, yeah,
right?
yes.
They are working as a watchman or something like
Yeah,
the condition of India right now.
Yes,
This should
right. Whenever some, we can see means some situation which happened, worst situation with their family or with them. So after 1 and 2 years, people just forget them. So no,
correct.
this is, this is the worst thing. I
Correct.
think this is one thing that we should remove.
Right. And we should give more importance for them because of them we are having a peaceful sleep.
Yeah,
They are
right.
not right. Otherwise, we cannot sleep properly. They are
Definitely.
taking care of us 24/7. Even our parents will not take care of us 24/7, but they are taking care of us 24/7. Right.
Right, right. Because we enjoying our, any festival occasions only because of them.
Okay. Correct.
Otherwise,
And as you said, like we are giving importance to the entertainers. We are watching influencers from TikTok, but we are not like giving the proper respect for the military people.
yeah, still, the word that is used celebrity only for these Bollywood and Nollywood, for these people, but not for them. And why? This is the one question. Because they are the real celebrity for our country.
Correct, exactly.
Yeah, this is my, real thinking. There is nothing,
No, that is
and
true. What you said is true, 100% true. We are not giving importance for them. We should give.
yes, yes, yes.
The
That's why,
situation to
I
stay.
also not too much interested in any serial drama and movies. I'm not too much interested because I know what is the reality behind them.
Exactly. So these
Yeah.
serials are all like time wasters actually. It waits. It's totally destroy our time. The mega series especially.
Okay, I think over a decade, that was maybe a good period for Bollywood and all. But now, what is the condition we can see? Means people, they are distract youth. They are they are distracting the youth. So that's
Yeah,
not good.
exactly.
Yeah.
Even the media is total distraction nowadays. Previously, we thought like the media is distraction, like TV, watching TV is a distraction. But nowadays, this mobile phone is more distracting than the TV.
Right, right.
So whenever
Absolutely.
I feel like if you think like if you have to watch some video from YouTube, okay, but we'll think and go to inside the YouTube, but we'll be watching some other videos.
Yes.
The same thing happens in Facebook also.
Yeah. Most almost it happened with some everyone. I
It's happens with everyone. So we'll do one small activity. Okay. There is a reading section. Can you read it for me so that we can check some pronunciation?
You can check. I think.
Yeah. Can you read it so that I can tell you?
I
Is it
I
possible
did.
for document and
I didn't read properly, but you can check. I just tried to.
Okay, sure. So shall I share the document for you to read? Would you like to read?
No, no, I had document already.
Okay, can you read it so that I can see how you are reading?
Okay,
So
for
in
that.
case making any pronunciation mistake, I will correct you.
Okay, wait. I just gone to this. Okay, so should I start?
Yeah.
So Indian Army comprises of three uniformed services: the Indian Army, the Indian Navy, and the Indian Air Force. The Indian Army contributes to the security of the land, the Indian Navy contributes to the sea, and the Indian Air Force, according to its name, flies through the air. The history of the Indian Army dates back to several millennia, but it is a history of brave incidents and a celebrates future. The first mention of armies was done in the epics of Ramayana and Mahabharata, where the martial arts were generally known as Dhanurveda. We have since come a long way from what seems to be the start of the army culture. According to global firepower and considering world military strengths, the Indian Army ranks fourth in the world in all aspects. Indian Army finds its roots in 1776 at the British Indian Army. Thanks.
Perfect. Super. So only one thing I've noted, it should be contributes. It should be spelled as contributes.
Okay. Contribute.
You pronounced it as contribute something, right? It should be contributes.
Contribute.
That is the correct pronunciation. So other than that, I did not find any obvious pronunciation mistakes. Most of them are perfect. Okay.
Yes. Maybe.
So do you have any doubts when it comes to the vocabulary section? Would you like to make a sentence using vocabulary? Like
Yeah, like why not?
Turmoil.
Turmoil. What does it mean? I think I didn't see.
You can check the meaning of it and you can make a sentence.
Turmoil. A state of confusion, disorder, or uncertainty. Okay. So nowadays, this is a turmoil state for us only
Yeah,
because of
this because of this pandemic, we are in turmoil, in the condition of turmoil.
okay, because of the pandemic.
We have
Only-
a turmoil, or say we have a turmoil because of COVID condition.
Okay, we have a turmoil because of the COVID. Okay, the next
Halcyon. Halcyon.
halcyon, a very happy or successful period in the past. Okay. Halcyon. Wait. So yeah, what should I miss? Halcyon, a very happy or successful period in the past. So the childhood, that was a halcyon period for everyone.
Super. Even I thought the same kind of sentence.
Oh my god.
Correct. We are matching. Okay.
Yes.
Convoluted.
Convoluted, yeah, very twisted. So yes, sometimes the no, not sometimes. Okay, our our pharyngeal is very convoluted.
Can you repeat? Our
Pharyngeal pipe means internal organ.
pharyngeal.
Pharyngeal.
Very twisted, or we can say even our life is convoluted.
Yeah, our life is convoluted.
Okay, we can say like that. So, or we can say it is a convoluted condition.
It is a convoluted condition. Yeah. Okay.
Frantic.
Frantic, almost out of the control because of extreme emotions such as worry. Yes. So if someone annoyed me, then I felt frantic.
I'll become frantic.
Okay.
If someone asks me, I'll become frantic.
I'll become frantic.
What else? Palliate.
Palliate, to reduce the bad effect of something. Okay. So government can palliate this situation.
Reduce. Yeah, government can palliate this situation. That's a very good one. Very good sentence. We'll do aloof.
Aloof, not friendly or willing to take part in it. Aloof. So I won't aloof. No, not won't, because this is already a negative sentence. Aloof. Yeah. I aloof to go in any party.
I'm not. I am aloof. It's not friendly. I'm not. No, you can use not. I'm not aloof.
Okay, I can use a not. Okay, I'm not aloof.
I'm not exactly know this word. It's not friendly. Having a condition of aloof when it comes to party.
Okay.
I am aloof. Yeah, I am aloof is the correct. you are
I am
right.
aloof. Yes.
I am aloof when it comes to party.
Yes, I'm aloof to comes to party.
So I'm not willing to take part in things when it comes to party.
Yes.
That's correct. So as a whole, like we had a wonderful conversation today. As usual, we are like very confident.
Yes.
Okay. So your thought process is also good. Like for all the questions we have really good. So you have any questions like before we wind up? You have any doubts or questions?
Mhm.
So I wanted to ask you like which area in English you like you're trying to improve.
Sorry.
So
Pardon.
which area in English you are trying to improve?
I just, work on my fluency with sentence structure because I know somewhere I'm just, making mistakes. So that is one thing that I want to correct because okay, grammatical part I also can read and learn, but these are things without practice I can't get.
Correct. Maybe I can give you one suggestion. Okay, one small suggestion. You can reduce the rate of speech a little bit
Okay.
because when our rate of speech is very high, we tend to make more mistakes when it comes to sentence construction.
Okay. Okay.
We speak fast, so we'll make the mistake also. Mistake also will become more mistake will come when we speak fast. So try to reduce the rate of speech and try it. So maybe in the next session we'll work on we'll concentrate more on the sentence construction. Next session we'll concentrate more on the sentence construction and see how and try to reduce the speech and we'll see how we can improve.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. And only for this I'm just taking part in session and all. So maybe gradually I will do.
Yeah. Like this is your how many sessions have you attended before? Like more than 20, right? More than 10 or 15.
Still now? Yeah, I think around 15.
I think you also attended with sessions with clapping also, right? Clapping go
Yeah,
and Campbell.
I can go on. Because yes, on English area I only I think attended 10 to 12 session. But yes, 4 and 5 session on clapping also.
So are you practicing clapping also?
This is only one day in a week. In a week.
So I
Yes.
think I believe it is your lunchtime. I'm disturbing you.
No, 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 not like this.
Are you in a diet?
No, not we are not in that.
Okay.
A little bit foodie.
Oh, okay. Are you a foodie?
Yeah, a
Oh,
little bit.
I'm also big time, especially when it comes to non-vegetarian food.
Okay.
So you completed your lunch?
Not yet. After
Oh,
having
not yet.
class.
Oh,
Yeah.
I think right time to go and have it.
Yes. Yeah, mostly after 3 and I just have lunch.
Me too, same time.
Okay. Okay.
Nice talking with you.
Same
So
here.
hoping to see you in the next session.
Yeah, definitely. I'll also.
Take till then, take care and see.
Okay. Bye bye.